Now, after functions of parliaments, let's discuss about who are the people in the parliament. Till the 1970s, most of the members of the parliament belonged to the upper classes and upper caste of Indian society. Most of them belong to national parties. Now, the parliament has more and more members from different backgrounds. There are many members belonging to rural areas and regional parties. People and communities that were earlier not represented have fair representation in the parliament. So there is a big differences between 1970s and now in parliament and the member of the parliament. Now, there are also been significant rise in political participation by the Dalit, backward caste and minorities. On the whole, there has been more popular participation in political activities. Here are the list given about the year and the number of candidates of Lok Sabha. Now, representatives democracy involves election which are very costly. Often money and muscular power play an important role in the election of candidates. So therefore, it is felt that representative democracy is not able to produce a perfect reflection of society. As Dalits, backward caste and other historically marginalized communities do not have adequate representation. With this in mind, some seats are reserved in the Lok Sabha for SC and the STs. That means the seats are reserved for the scheduled caste and the scheduled tribes in Lok Sabha. This has been done so that these representatives can represent, safeguard and promote interest of their communities. Of the total 543 elective seats in the Lok Sabha, 423 are in general category, while 79 seats are reserved for the scheduled caste and 41 seats for the scheduled tribes. It has also been realized that women do not have adequate representation in the parliament, so their total population. Therefore, there has been proposal for reservation of seats for women in the Lok Sabha, which is 33%. Women's reservation bill is pending before the parliament and it is being constantly debated among the political parties. Now, but there has been significant increase in political participation by women. Women voter turnout increased from 38.8% in the 50s to 57.89% in 1998. It is a number of the women's significant increase in political participation. The number of women contestants for Lok Sabha has risen after election. Now, there is a difference of opinion about whether the democratic system is representatives, though, as we have discussed above. Still, there are communities and groups which are not well represented in the legislature. The rising cost of fighting an election prevents poor people from being elected as people's representatives. Therefore, there has been suggestion for state funding of elections. However, the very fact that we are concerned about equal representation and trying to resolve the question in the reflection of the reality that ours is a vibrant democracy. Okay, look at this chart. Here the Lok Sabha, the total number of seats, women members and the percentage of representation of women in Lok Sabha is given. Okay, now the chapter is completed. In my next class, I will explain you all objective questions. Okay, thank you.